All right, I'm getting ready to tee it up today. Independence Golf Course, hole number 1, par 4. I'm using Golfshot today, and you don't even have to touch your phone at all, and it's gonna track all your stats. So watch me play this hole. Par 4, it's like 430 or so. Uh-oh, catch a piece. All right, it's good. Found the fairway. I just hit my drive 253 yards. I am 159 to the center. Hole location is 3 today, which means on this hole, it's in the back of the green. Have an 8-iron in my hand, take a nice smooth swing. Ball's a little bit above my feet, so it's gonna wanna go to the left. I'm gonna set up for that. I caught a piece of it on the dance floor. Let's see how it goes. This is the only time you have to touch a device, just to set the pin location. Oh, a little slow. Oh my gosh. All right, my 4th shot. And just like that, made a 4. Good hole, guys. And what is sick, I never ever once touched my device. It has my score already on there. But what I really like is it measured my distance of my first putt. That first putt was 46 feet away. That's incredible. And for me to walk out of there with just a 4, pretty solid. And it recorded it that I was in the fairway, how far I was on my approach shot, and that I hit the green. It's par 4. Pretty straight away, not a lot of issues. Let's rip one. Nice. Second shot here, auto tracked it out. It actually says I hit my drive 274, which I'm pretty stoked about because it wasn't my best shot. It says I have 146 to the center, 127 to the front. Hole location today actually looks front. I'm gonna hit a gap wedge. Now let's rip it. Oh boy. Got the lefts today, Connor. Just pulled it a little bit. I didn't actually hit the green. Let's see if I can get up and down. So I found myself, I got a 25-yard pitch shot here. Let's try to make something happen, man. I don't need to have to do anything too crazy. Not bad. All right, for a par. Too much break. So it looks like it missed my second putt, so I'm gonna change it to a 5 and then change it to a 2 putt. Using Golfshot isn't that hard.